Hi everyone, and thank you for joining us. Here is the activity introduction. Everything you will need to find will be located on your homepage of Module 3 PD. That's where you'll find your course content. That is also where you'll find the readings and the links to anything that you'll need to access. And there will also be links posted to take you directly to the discussion post and an assignment links. Your assignment is what will you be creating? You'll be creating a one-day lesson plan using at least one OER such as a nearby into your lesson plan. I provided a link to show you an example on Module 3 content page. The rubric is also located on Day 3 PD. It's labeled rubric as well, so you guys can see what you're going to be graded on. Not only that, you guys are going to be graded on also discussion boards and reading the materials and contributing to the discussion. Everything will be submitted on the discussion board by sharing a link for everyone to view and to get feedback on. Where to post and discussions, we just went over that. You will post on our discussion boards and you'll have access to see everyone's and to share content right there. Now you guys are able to use my lesson plan that I created as a template, or you can create whatever you want, but you must make sure to meet those requirements that are on my lesson plan. But you can create your own as well. For more resources to complete this task, there's a resource tab. You can find other resources such as what other OERs you can find to complete this project, as well as other technology-based resources to not only for this module but for other modules that you can find later on. And you're more than welcome also if you've come across other resources that you find that other teachers can use or anyone would find interesting. You're more than welcome to share them on our open discussion board, and I'll be more than happy to add them to my resource page. Thank you guys so much for watching.